All right, English 120. Here we are with our second essay, the persuasive essay. 4 pages plus a works cited, due Saturday, July 11 at 11:59 p.m. You're going to email it to my napavalley.edu address. And here we go. You're going to develop a persuasive argument against one of these readings, which will be on Blackboard. Ban Them All by Molly Ivins. Depending on where you get that essay from, it has a couple different titles. Sometimes it includes the word damn, and some papers don't want to run that headline. Why Women Aren't Funny by Christopher Hitchens, so I can just say straight away, I don't agree with that premise. But it is an odd little essay that you could work against. Heart of Whiteness by Tobias Wolff. So your essay must include the following, or I can't grade it. An introduction that objectively summarizes the text in question and offers your thesis. A thesis that reveals what you will prove and how you will do so. 3 arguments built on evidence from your own life, evidence from one outside source, and sound logic. 2 quotes from the essay you are arguing against, as well as 2 quotes from the outside source you find. So all told, 4 quotes. You must format these quotes correctly. If you look to videos from last week, if you look to the MLA guidelines on the Purdue OWL at owl.english.purdue.edu, they'll be there. Should also be in the Bedford Researcher. You should be starting to do that. Each paragraph should have an appeal to either ethos, pathos, or logos. Sometimes you might find more than one. Short concession. In other words, you say that there's something about your opponent's argument that is correct. You can do that maybe 2 to 3 sentences. You want to keep a diplomatic tone throughout, and a conclusion that answers the question, so what? Also, a correct works cited page. Now remember, you also have a short lecture to watch this week from my 125 class. It's called, I think Better, or it's called Intro to English 125 lecture. But if you watch that, we get into methods of persuasion pretty heavy. The basic kind that we use in everyday life and the more academic kind. Grading rubric, 60 points is based on the quality of your argument. 20 points is based on your sentence clarity. And do you clearly quote and do all the right MLA stuff is another 20 points. So this week, you need to read all the related readings that are also in this message on Blackboard or will be coming. I think I have all of them. I might sneak another 1 or 2 in you online this week. By the 4th, complete the first half of all the comp class quizzes. Again, feel free to work in groups. Just take your own quizzes. That's fine with me. Week of 7-6. So not this Monday, but next Monday, we will have our conferences. And that Saturday night, the essay is due. So that's the essay, folks. If you pay attention to the lecture that I videotaped and presented to you, or will present to you on persuasion, and if you pay attention to the readings, you're going to be okay. You're going to be just fine. If you can see in the readings how different writers are using pathos, ethos, logos, strong concession, a measured tone, you should be totally fine. And if not, we'll figure it out. That's what conferences are for. Okay? Have a good one. Let me know if you need anything. Bye-bye.